Welcome to our rapid prototyping ordering process. In this video you will learn all the details and features of our ordering page. To do this, first click on Online Order on our website www.cutdent.eu and now select Rapid Prototyping. Now you can select your three-dimensional object from your folder or select it per drag and drop. Check the uploaded 3D object with the inbuilt 360-degree view, including the geometric dimensions of the object. Once the correct 3D object has been uploaded, proceed with the material selection. Now select the desired material group, metal, ceramic or polymers. You will then be shown all available materials, including the respective different design variants. The info button to the right of the material provides detailed information on the respective materials, such as the recommended minimum wall thickness. In addition, you may download a technical data sheet of the material manufacturer here. Directly next to the different design variants, you will find sample photos of the color and surface of the material corresponding to the design. Now select the desired quantity of the component. Next to it you will see the individually calculated and total prices of the respective material according to the design variant. Add the desired version to the shopping cart by clicking on the shopping basket. Now your dataset appears in the order overview with the total amount and the estimated production time. You can also select the same dataset in several materials. With the button Add another 3D object, you are able to upload and configure further 3D objects. If desired, add comments on the right-hand side of page 3. Please add technical drawings for your datasets here if you have any. As soon as all mandatory fields have been filled in and the terms and conditions have been accepted, the data is ready to be transferred. If you need a quotation first, please download this on the right-hand side. We look forward to receiving your order.